Now for this reaction, you really only need 4 ingredients: water and indigo carmine that I just added to the flask there. Indigo carmine is a blue food dye, and it's also an acid-base indicator. Give that a little swirl to get it nice and mixed up. The next ingredient is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is also called lye, and it's in most drain cleaners. We'll give it another swirl here to get it nice and mixed, and it's also going to start to show us a little green color. The next thing we're going to add to our flask is going to be some sugar. It has to be glucose or dextrose or reducing sugar. It can't just be regular table sugar. This creates what's known as a reversible oxidation reduction reaction. When we shake the solution up, we're adding oxygen to it, which oxidizes the indigo carmine from yellow to red to green. And then, as the solution sits, the sugar reduces the indigo carmine from green to red to yellow. That's the reason for the color change. So there we've drawn out the different stages of the molecule for you. And there we have our final solution.